Hello guys, today we are going to learn some basic concepts in JavaScript like variables, functions, objects, loops. Variables are used to store data values in JavaScript. You can declare variables using where, let, or constant. Where keyword is used to declare, redeclare, and update. Let keyword can be used to update but not redeclaring. Const const variable is used which cannot be redeclared or updated. See, now declaring a variable using let is as follows. Declaring a constant variable is as follows. Now let us see about arrays in JavaScript. An array is a special type of object in JavaScript that is used to store a list of items. Arrays allows you to group multiple values and access them through their index. The index starts from 0. As you all know from C language also, it is similar to that. Array declaration, you can declare arrays using square brackets. As we all know, arrays constructor is as closed brackets. Let us see the syntax. Let array equal to closed brackets. You can declare strings in the form of double quotes. Accessing elements, we can accessing elements using index. For output we need to write console.log. Let's see array methods. There are different methods: push, pop, shift, unshift, map, filter. For each, push adds an element, pop removes the last element from the array, shift removes the first element from the array, unshift adds an element to the beginning of the array, map creates a new array by applying a function to each element, filter creates a new array with elements that pass a test. For each executes a provided function for each element. Let us see the syntax. Let numbers equal to push pop operations are executed here. Okay, now let's see some functions. What is a function? A function is a reusable block of code designed to perform a specific task. Functions make code modular and more maintainable. How we declare function? You can declare function as follows: function, sum, return, and output. This is the format to create a function. Let us discuss about objects in JavaScript. An object is a collection of related data or functionality stored as key value pairs. It's a fundamental structure for modeling real world entities. Creating objects. How to create an object? You can create an object using curly braces or the new object syntax. We can create an object by using curly braces and the data inside the curly braces. Accessing properties. You can access object properties using dot notation or bracket notation. Here we use dot notation and bracket notation. Adding or updating properties. You can dynamically add or update properties. Car dot color equal to red, which is adding a new property. Car dot model equal to model is updating an existing property. Let us see about object methods. You can define functions inside an object called methods. This is the syntax in which we created inside an object. Now let us see loops in JavaScript. Loops are used to repeat a block of code multiple times. There are different types of loops in JavaScript, including for, while, do while, and array specific loops like for each. For loop. The for loop is commonly used to iterate over arrays or run a block of code. As we all know, this is the syntax for loop. While loop. While loop is also having the syntax as while and condition, then curly braces and the code inside the curly brace. Do while loop is also similar to while loop, but do is and while is the syntax. For of loop iterates for iteratable objects like arrays. Let fruits equal to apple, banana, mango. For let fruits of fruits. This is the syntax for of loop. Output will be the apple, banana, mango. We used of operation here. For of loop contains of keyword, and for in loop is also there. It contains in as a keyword inside the for loop condition. This is the different basic concepts we have covered: variables, arrays, functions, and their declarations and their syntax. And we also saw about loops. Thank you.